Hey, gorgeous. Gorgeous boy. That's a big one, Fred. Oh. There's a wasp in your fine dining, Fred. Mr. Wasp on Freddy's fine dining. Oh, Freddy's come across. There's a wasp there, darling. You might want to wait till the wasp has gone, darling. He's after his mealworm. Oh, that's it. He's gone off with his mealworm. Freddy's not impressed. He's gone, darling. He's gone. Go on, it's safe. You can go and get it now. Bless you, little Freddy. You're looking lovely. You should see little Pete with all his molting face. He's molting worse than you, darling. When he stands like that, it looks like his hair's been brushed all back. Oh, sorry, Freddy. He doesn't like us talking about his hair. It does look like he's got long hair brushed back, like he's going to put it in a ponytail. He's growing it to put it in a ponytail. Bless him. Gorgeous Fred. He was just singing me a song a minute ago. Very quietly, but nonetheless singing a little song. We've just been chilling together, haven't we, Fred? We've had enough. Bye-bye, Fred. See you later. Love you, little Fred.